In this video, we're going to talk about a quick start guide to getting the most out of your white label digital marketing partnership. When you're running a campaign on behalf of your clients, there's a lot that you can do upfront to make sure you're getting the most out of your partner. It sounds silly, it sounds simple, but that is so important to be able to determine, did we deliver the results? General terms like awareness or lead gen, those are great, but how do we quantify that? Have this conversation up front with your client and then communicate that to your white label partner. So determining those actions, what we call key performance actions, and the overall goal is the baseline to any successful partnership and any successful campaign running for your account or for your client. After that, it comes down to communication. You want to make sure that you're getting updates, that you're getting reports, you have a dashboard, that your analysts working on the campaigns are letting you know, here's what's working well. Here are opportunities where we can get better. Here's recommendations that we're going to make for you, and here's some optimizations or A/B tests that we did, and here's the result. What you want to avoid is what we call the set it and forget it partnership. Your partnership's really active in the build, and then the campaign's running for 6 months, and in month 6, it's running the exact same way it was in month 1. That's complacent, that's not going to move the needle or grow your account. Active communication, proactive communication, reporting, opportunities, testing, optimization. This is what you should be looking for in your partner to make sure that they're doing everything that they can to help you grow your accounts and produce that elite performance.